What's up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in. So if you guys would like a deeper breakdown of these charts, please comment the word top-down analysis in the comments or TDA in the comments. I've been bringing you guys these breakdowns for quite a while now. I know some of you requested Forex, futures, stocks, things like that. So I'm just basically replying to whatever I'm basically given. But with that being said, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe so it can basically help out the channel and basically share it to anyone who hasn't discovered me yet. That's basically it. So with that being said, let's continue. So for Stepan Company here on the daily, we are already seeing a lot of bearish momentum that came through last week. So right now, what we would like to see is for this to actually start turning over, going towards the upside from this area. If it does not and ends up breaking past this zone, I would like to see a minor retest of this area and then continuation all the way back down to $46 around there. So let's see what we can get. And then, if we can get a buy here, I would love to see this go back up and then get a better swing of things going towards the upside. Because we can see we broke already some structure here and on the way up. So like it's been on an upward. So let's see what we can get this week and hopefully make it a profitable week. So with that being said, have a good one, y'all. And if you have any questions, again, feel free to leave it in the comments. All right, peace.